Hi everyone, let's see how you can delete your Netflix account permanently. Simply log into your Netflix account. Now hover to the top and click on account. From here, click on the security tab. Scroll down and you will get the option to delete account. Click here. Now it will ask to confirm your identity. Simply choose the registered mobile or email ID. You will get an OTP. Simply enter that OTP here and click on continue. Now select this option and click on permanently delete. From here, click on done, and that's it. Your account will get permanently deleted. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.